So we've had to replace a few. So a couple things that have been added. Free spot in the next hit draft is now on the board. So we'll roll our die, see what we get. Good luck, guys. So it is a 3. I think you're right, Crow. Yep, number 3. Puck of choice. So we'll pick a poker chip. That respective owner will get a puck of choice. So just let me know what team you want, and I will get you a puck. So the owner of the Calgary Flames and CM Punk 2011. So just let me know what puck you would like, and I can send you, and I will send you one via mail. Well, let's do the bonus wall one more time tonight, guys. So double bonus wall. Got our prizes again. So round 2 of the mega bonus wall. And it is a 17, which is not a puck. 17, 11-12 limited Phenoms auto, Craig Smith. So Phenoms auto, Craig Smith. And that will go to the owner of the New York Islanders. And the Islanders is All for Kinds. So All for Kinds, Phenoms auto, Craig Smith coming your way. Alright guys, so the last bonus. So typically I do take 3 chips out of the bucket for a bonus break. What we'll be doing for the next 4 weeks is for every team that you win in one of my breaks, whether it be auction or buy it now, you get a ballot into a draw. In 4 weeks' time, we're going to have 3 prizes. Top prize will get a choice of a hobby box of their choice from the 11-12, excluding SP game used. So you can get a choice of Elite, SPX, Certified, anything that's been released in 11-12, excluding game used. Then we will have a couple other prizes. We'll have a quad jersey from Decades. And I'll load up the prizes. So you just want to have as many teams as possible over the next 4 weeks in the auction breaks as well as the buy it now breaks, and you'll see some pretty good prizes coming out in about 4 weeks' time. Alright guys, so that's the break of SPX. So I'll just clear up here and then we'll start the Elite break. So thanks for participating in the break, guys. So make sure to jump on the site, guys. I think Contenders should be finishing up shortly.